Hello friends, we are back. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks for subscribe our channels and welcome my channels. Today we are going to discuss then how we can create a campaign for goal generations, especially for US locations and for UK, Australia and Canada. So just click on the campaign plus one. This is the top secrets. This one is the beneficials. This will help to you to goal generations campaign and select display marketing campaign. Don't start with the search campaign if you are looking for poll generations and from out of India and other locations. Only try to click on the display. And for display, after click the display, there are the 3 points: standard display campaign, smart display campaign, and third one is the Gmail campaign. I hope if you are running the campaign on Google's, then you are very familiar and very experience with Gmail campaign. If you are not, then don't confuse, don't nervous. We are going to discuss what is the Gmail campaign. This is the beneficials for call generation and lead generations, especially out of India locations. And if you are targeted USA, Canada, Australia, UK, and out of India, mostly out of India location, then click on the Gmail campaign. What basically Gmail campaign? When you enter in your Gmail, then you will see the ads on the your Gmail top on the so you live. Just wait, please. Uh, I think you already know that if you log in, then you can see a ad here before your email ID. It is primary, social, or promotions, doesn't matter. If you see that ad, this is the call Gmail campaign. And how this is basically beneficial for the campaign. If you are into travel, you are in technical teams, technical supports, genuine basic. I'm only talking with genuine part. Then you can run this Gmail campaign. What you have to enter? You just enter your website like this is my www.google.com. Then we can continue and we have to create a campaign for Gmail. But if we don't like Gmail campaign, if we start with smart display campaign and standard display campaign. So the basically difference between standard and smart display campaign is that if we select display campaign only, then you have to target a manually automations and others, but you cannot target the interest of pupil. You cannot filter the bidding part, and you cannot apply the auto rotations part. If you select the smart campaign, as you can see, the bidding part is the you can select targeting, you can change, select automatically, add basically your campaign performance automatically, customer interest basis. This campaign only provide the facility by interest basis. Like a social media platforms, Facebook provide you the campaign for interest basis. Same this campaign provide you the same features, right? But I recommend if you are facing problem, continue suspended Google campaign and any other issue, just go with the Gmail campaign. If you're running successful campaign Gmail for Gmail campaign, then you will achieve the number of leads, number of calls, number of visitors on your websites, and your website UI user interface is good, they are all parts in very well condition, then you will get the good results, this campaign. And thanks for watching this video, friends. Please do subscribe this channels for all these informations and learning all PPC managements. Thanks. Thanks for